Look what I got in the mail. I have a KSGER soldering station, and I was actually ready to make some modifications, especially for the grounding. And look at this. There is an extra connector on the back, and that it's grounded. So let me show you. And when you open it up, you can see that also. When you open the soldering station, you will notice that the whole board is redesigned. The high voltage track, which run below the heatsink, is now redirected without any risk of contacting the heatsink. So no modifications to be done. Just do the settings, calibrations of the T12 soldering tips and start using the KSGER.